Hello everyone, I am back again on another adventure. Today I will be cooking some little chicken tenders. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the pan ready. I already cleaned it and put a little bit of oil in the pan, some olive oil. And yeah, I'm gonna start heating it up on the fire and see how it goes. Alright, here I go. The pan should be getting kind of hot now. Yeah, I meant to say chicken breasts. Oh yeah. Now I had to put that in the trash. Garlic powder. Dang, the wind is blowing it. A little bit of minced onion. Oh, I gotta take the wrapper off. I haven't even used it yet. And then season the other side. More black pepper. I don't think I need any more onion, but I am going to go in with a tiny bit more garlic. Well, whatever doesn't fly away. Chicken. That piece is definitely done, so I'm just gonna eat it right out of the pan. All right, time to just eat now. As you can see, it's nice and cooked. And it's good too.